The next video. In today's video I will show you how to get access to all the documents file and display it inside your native Android application. And in today's case I will show you how to get access to all the PDF files specifically, but you can do it for any kind of a document file, like it could be a Word file or an Excel file, whatever. So yeah, let's get started. So I will show you the output first. So I have a button which which on click of it will get access to all your files, and from that we will just filter out the PDF files. The reason we require access to all the file inside your device because of scope storage. Like there are a lot of changes which have been introduced lately. So I will click on get all PDF. I will allow file access, and now if I go back here, you can see, so these are the 3 PDFs which are present inside my device. And so these are just the name of the PDF, and if I click on any of the PDF, it opens a PDF view using the PDF file descriptor API. I am not using any third-party library, and it is pretty fast, to be honest. Like you don't really need the third-party library. Like I know there is one popular third-party library which is available for PDF viewing in Android, something called PDF Viewer, but I would not recommend using that library because it has not been updated for a while now. So let's get started. First, inside Android manifest.xml, just write read external storage permission. This is for older versions of Android, and for newer you have to write manage external storage permission. Next, I'm using the XML view layouts, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. So inside main activity, if you go to layout file, here you can see I have just taken this button, as well as I have taken a recycler view for displaying the name of the PDF file. Next, inside main activity over here, I have taken a list to get the list of all PDF files which are present. And if you see this PDF data, I have just created an data class which will hold the URI as well as the file name for the PDF. Next, I have created one recycler view as well as our custom adapter. And if you see the custom adapter, we take a list of all the PDF data as well as an item click listener. Here we initialize our item click listener, and here we initialize our text view, and here we inflate our cell of text view. I will come back to this. And here we are just displaying the PDF file name depending on what position the user is on. And on click listener we give a callback to the main activity. I will show you that as well. And inside get item count, we are just displaying whatever size is our list of. So if you see, if you see this cell text view, here I have not just taken a constraint layout, and inside that I have just taken a text view. That's it. Next, I think this should not be 30 dp, this should be 30 sp, because text size should be in sp, not in dp. Next, if you go to main activity, here you can see I am implementing this interface called on item click listener. And if you check this on item click listener interface, I have just created one method called on item click. So this is the old way. So if you are on Android, below Android R, you will be requesting read external storage permission, but if you are above Android R, you will be requesting manage external storage permission. So here you can see that's what I'm doing. And if you for Android above Android R, then we first have to redirect the user to the settings right, and then the user will have to manually give us all file access. This is a requirement of new Android versions. And here I am just checking whether the external storage permission was granted or not. And on click of the button, I am just getting all PDF over here, and if not, I am just requesting read external storage if it is below Android R. If it is above Android, I am requesting for manage external storage permission. And here if you call get all PDF, I am first clearing the list. Then we look into the external media store content URI, and here you can define what all types of file you want. So I want the data type, MIME type, as well as the display name. And here I am specifying the MIME type. So if you see, I'm specifying it application/PDF, but if you want JSON files, you can just change the MIME type over here. And here I'm adding a cursor and I'm just looping over the cursor to get the file ID, file path and display name, and from that file ID we get the actual file URI. If you want to use the file path, you can use that as well. And I'm just adding it to our list, and once everything is done, I'm just initializing our custom adapter, adding it as an adapt to our recycler view and setting it as a fixed size. And here is the on item click method which we have override, and we get a callback from the adapter class. And here you can see I'm just navigating to a new activity called main activity 2, and inside the intent I am also passing the URI for our particular PDF file and starting the activity. So just create this main activity 2 as well. And here if you see inside activity underscore main, I'm again taking a recycler view. So yeah, once you do that, I have also created a custom adapter class. And if you see the cell image view, I have just taken an image view inside here, because each and every page of our PDF will be converted to a bitmap and displayed inside our recycler view. And I have also applied this border to our recycler, to our image view. So this is the border for it. And if you see the custom adapter too, here you can see I'm initializing our image view and instantiating our cell underscore image underscore view, and here I am setting our bitmap, and this is the dataset dot size item count. Now if you check the main activity too, here I'm just initializing our recycler view first. Here we are getting the URI which we send from main activity, and here I'm just launching a life cycle scope. So because I'm doing this on a coroutine, like rendering of PDF, and doing it on the main thread is not advisable in case your PDF is extremely large. So that's why I'm doing it on coroutine, like an IO coroutine. And then once that is done, once you get all the bitmap, I'm just using custom adapter to initializing it, then assigning it to a recycler view and setting it as a fixed size. And this entire thing, like I have just copied it from Stack Overflow, but here you can see I'm using this parcel file descriptor as well as this PDF renderer thing, this one. So yeah, that's how you get the bitmap for this. Okay, and if you go inside build.gradle.kts, I don't think I'm using any external library. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.